Hey y'all, so welcome back to my channel, and I know this is kind of a different view you're not used to. The lighting might be a little bit off, but just deal with me here. It's gonna be okay. So today I'm going to be reviewing this the new Kat Von D Fetish palette, which I was in Sephora and they had it out, and I was so excited because this palette, when I saw it released, I was like, oh, I have to have it. So that's what we are going to be doing, swatches review and a quick tutorial on today. So if you're excited, please be sure to go ahead and thumbs up this video and go ahead and subscribe if you have not subscribed already. So when you open it up, the palette looks like this. It is really pretty. It has some nice detailing on the front, and then all of the shade names are on the back. And then the shade names are also written on the shades themselves as well. So whenever you open the palette up, here's what it looks like. I think the shades are just stunning. Like, there are some really unique colors in here, and I'm gonna be honest, I've already played around with this, so it's not quite in first impressions, but still pretty close, you know. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get into some swatches real quick. Okay, so I'm just gonna start out with like the left side and work my way to the right because there's not really like any rows to go by, you know. So I'm gonna start out with the shade called Nylon, which is this really pretty like brown with a gray undertone. So there is Nylon. Next is this really beautiful purple, which is called Pink. And then we have Blindfold. So here are all of the swatches, guys. I think this palette is really unique. It has some really unique colors, and there's so many shades that they did not fit on my arm completely, but you know, I think they're beautiful. So we're gonna go ahead and create a quick eye look with this. Okay guys, so I'm so excited about playing around with this, even though I've already played around with it a little bit already, but you know. So I have already primed my eyes and set them and everything because I already have my base face on. So we're going to go in with Safe Word, this beautiful nude mauve shade, and I'm just going to work that all into the crease area. Alright, and then we are going to go into Bondage, which is that really pretty cranberry shade right here. And I'm going to work that into the crease. Alright, and then I'm going to go in with this dense packing brush, and I will go into Stiletto, which is this beautiful shimmer cranberry shade, and I'm going to pack that into my crease, not to my crease, my outer V. Okay, now we're going to kind of create a halo eye and cut the crease. And then guys, I have been addicted to using this Luna by Luna white sand translucent powder. It's just a really translucent powder. I'm using this to set my eyes down, and I really like it. It's a kind of like a violet shade with a shimmer. Let's just go with that. I'm just going in with a dry brush, and it is going on beautifully without even wetting the brush. And thank you, Kat Von D. Alright, and then for the lower lash line, I think we're going to go into the shade called Corset, which is this gray undertone purple shade, and I'm going to just work that into the lower lash line. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and apply some liner. So guys, this is the final look. So my overall thoughts on this palette is that yes, it is quite expensive, but the shades in here are beautiful. You don't even have to wet the shimmers in order to apply them onto your lids. They just apply like a dream. Nobody was patchy really. The shades in here are really beautiful, and I am excited to create more looks with this palette, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I would recommend picking up this palette if you've not already, because I think it's going to be a hot seller. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, even though it's kind of in a different setup and everything, but you know, things happen, so don't forget that you are absolutely stunning. Bye y'all, thanks for watching.
Hey guys, so if you haven't subscribed already, then click the circular icon in the middle. Or if you want to watch another great video, then click the one on the left or the one on the right.